This video provides instructions for parents to complete and submit this year's 2022-2023 CSS Profile Financial Aid application. The CSS Profile is required by approximately 250 colleges and universities for students to be eligible to receive need-based, non-federal government financial aid. A list of colleges and universities which require submittal of the CSS Profile Financial Aid application can be found by Googling CSS Profile Participating Institutions and Programs. The CSS Profile application is in addition to the FAFSA form, the FAFSA form being required by all colleges. It is important to note that each college and university has its own deadline for submitting the CSS Profile. Some universities require the CSS Profile to be submitted online no later than November 15th, 2021, so don't delay in submitting your CSS Profile application. I highly recommend the CSS Profile be submitted at the same time as the FAFSA form. Both of these financial aid applications use the same numbers, incomes, financial assets, etc. So it is easiest and most efficient to submit these applications within days of one another while your financial information is fresh in your mind. To complete the CSS Profile, follow the instruction which can be downloaded in the PDF format document from a link in the description of this video. See the link, CSS Profile Instructions for Fall 2021. Additionally, I have provided a link in the description of this video to the 2022-2023 CSS Profile Student Guide so that students and parents can familiarize themselves with the basic information needed to complete the CSS Profile. The documents and information you should gather to complete the CSS Profile include students' and parents' Social Security numbers, 2020 federal income tax returns, W-2 forms and other records of money earned in 2020 and 2021, records of untaxed income and benefits for 2020 and 2021, current bank statements, current mortgage information, records of savings, stocks, bonds, trusts, and other investments, and if the parents are divorced, students' non-custodial parents' email address. One of the most frequently asked questions regarding the CSS Profile application is which numbers to enter for the financial assets and the anticipated total income for 2021 for both parents and the student. The answer is use estimates and estimate low to help the student qualify for the maximum amount of need-based financial aid. In other words, use your best guess estimates that put your family's finances in the poorest financial situation possible.